advertise, do anything. Show yourself to the internet any way you can do it. Just do something. Show yourself to the internet. Do something, alright? Look at me, I'm trying. And I'm not sure it's gonna work. I'm not sure it's gonna work. But I'm trying. I'm posting. I'm trying. And to all those celebs, or to all those people who are watching me right now, just watch and be entertained or not. Right? Just do it. Do it. Come on. Do it. Just do it. You know? Do it. Come on, guys. Do it. Oh, wait, you can't. I'm sorry. I'm actually really sorry that you can't. Or maybe you can. Or maybe you can't. Is this video boring now? Is it boring? You wanna quit? Come on, quit. 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 Quit right now. And become a celebrity if you want to. Do anything. But don't do stupid stuff. Don't do stupid things that can actually damage your reputation and hurt your life. Do things which, yeah, actually might be stupid, but doesn't affect much of your life in a negative manner. But in a positive manner, you can do something stupid, do anything, and then you have it. Take risks if you can, but right now, I don't care.